Kanino galing yan? Ha? Okay. Oh, you open it na.
I can
Oh my God, it's the...
It's from Ate Milene. I opened it first. I can eat it. No! I can taste it. It's a big set.
You play it na in Baguio, anak. Don't open it here because you're gonna spill it lang. O, sige na, next.
The last one is from
Hurry up,
Ishra.
You open it lang, hurry up, Chloe, Para your video's not,
Faster.
From Tita Jade. Daddy gave to
Tita Jade?
Tita Jade and Tita AJ. And where's the other?
That's okay na.
Oh, it's okay na. Next one na.
Whose is that?
And that is
Arlene ba? Anong binili mo?
yummy. Then these other.
Who's that?
There's no more.
Ay, hindi nila nilagyan ng milk crate. Kila ano to eh. O sige na, yung patit na. This is from the chocolate. Next.
Listen.
You open it.
Wow. It's a swimsuit again.
No, it's not. That's from mommy and daddy.
Ah!
That's shirt and a pants.
Thank you.
You put it inside the plastic.
We're gonna eat her M&M's.
Later you want?
Yes.
Give me the M&Ms.
I'm gonna eat it tomorrow.
Give me the one M&Ms.
All of it na.
I am all of it na.
I don't want to of them.
Yes, it's yours now.
Because she look like two.
Yes.
She look like, oh, this one. No, this is, oh, this. And this is from Tita Jaden also.
You put it here.
This one.
You put it here.
Mama. Gummy.
The clothes. Put it here.
All of this.
Later na anak. Sige na. Yeah. Can you close the door?
I'm
That's
gonna
all right.
open this later.
Okay.
So, in the end of the video. There's some more presents. Okay, just stick it there. Stick them there. Oh, there's a note in the bag. It's a pencil. To Chloe, happy 7th birthday from Tito Ryan. This is not, I hope this is not for the chocolate thing that is.
Wow!
But all of my things don't touch right here.
That's okay lang.
For
Wow.
chocolate. Here's another note. Happy 7th birthday, Chloe, from Tito Ryan.
Tito Ryan and family. Sige, put it inside na. Together with the bag.
So there's some more pa. There's chocolates inside here. Don't tell me. Just wait.
What's that? That's chocolate.
Birthday na, no? It's your birthday na next.
Wow!
It's so heavy.
So heavy.
Oh, there's a note inside here. Some note anywhere.
Oh, you read na the note.
Happy birthday, Atina Chloe. From Tita.
Tinay. And?
Tito
Tito
Amon.
Amon, anak. Okay. You put it back na.
Together with this.
Yes. Oh. This one next.
Yeah, it's already opened. I already see what's inside. Ate Chloe.
Ate Chloe from? Nasaan yung gift ni? May gift si JC ah. Yung nasa Toys R Us.
Mommy Hero.
Wala. Oh, sige, you read it ah. Ay, from Bricks.
Di ba to?
Ano ba tingin?
Bricks.
Hindi.
Ooh, bricks.
Nasa Toys
Chocolate.
R Us. Nasaan naman yun?
Mommy. Mommy.
Wow! Wow!
Let me open that one.
Wow! Alat naman! Oh! Wow! Alat!
This thousands the money. Super. Another one. That's
Wow!
one yummy. My favorite.
Wow! Wow!
Now, gonna put this back.
Now, later na.
Like that.
Wala na, nabuksan niya na yan. Kila ano yan?
Is there a note there? None.
That's from Bricks, anak.
Yeah, bricks. I know. Yeah.
This one first. Daddy will cut that muna.
Mom, it's another gift of yours.
That one, the Toys R Us from Kuya JC.
Ano yung mga papasok ng glass?
Oh yeah. I already broke the plastic. Mama. If I see this, this is gonna give me good memories while I was 7 or 6.
Wow!
And then I use Ate ukulele and painting this. Another gift of yours. This. Another gift of yours. This. Another gift of yours. I want to open this.
Yes, let's wait. Daddy will
But
open
this
it
is
now.
the last one. It's so. Chloe, thank you for giving me this bracelet.
Wow! Your favorite! Yes, ate will give you.
But what are those?
Whose is that? Ay, there's a note, baby. Sige, you put it out. Pull that out. You pull it out. There.
Happy birthday, Chloe. Hope.
Sige Hope. Happiest birthday, Chloe. Hope you'll
Like the chocolate I brought. You brought.
Ate. Daddy, ang layo, hindi ko mabasa.
Ate P. PHI.
Sino yan? Sa'yo yan.
Si Sophia.
And the last one. There is pa? Wow. Oh, the last one. From who?
Ate.
Wow. You return. Daddy, palagay nga ako yan dyan sa...
She hit my feet.
And then there's the side. To Chloe. Happy 7th birthday from Ate Isha. Is this whose present is this?
Wow! Wow! Wow, Ate Isha knows talaga what you like, no? Very nice. What will you say, Ate Isha?
Thank you, Ate Isha.
You show it na, anak. You say thank you po.
Thank you po. Okay. Bibilangin ko na. I'm gonna count. 1, 2,